Welcome back, travelers. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're checking into a fan favorite here at the Disneyland Resort in California, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. This is the most unique property on the West Coast, and it features American Craftsman-style architecture and a premium rustic elegance that makes you feel like you've escaped to a Grand National Park lodge. What makes staying here the absolute standard of convenience is its location. You are literally steps away from the downtown Disney district, and the hotel features its own exclusive private entrance directly into Disney's California Adventure Park. You can literally walk from your room straight into DCA in a matter of minutes. Plus, the luxury amenities here are unmatched, from the award-winning dining at the Napa Rose to the tranquil Tenaya Stone Spa and gorgeous pool courtyards. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway or a high-end family vacation, it's the perfect home base to balance thrilling theme park days with a sophisticated, relaxing resort experience. Today, we're doing a complete walkthrough of a standard room layout to help you decide if upgrading to the Grand Californian is the right move for your Disney crew. But before booking, remember to contact the Vacationeer. We handle all of the heavy lifting, from securing the perfect room, bundling your theme park tickets, to setting up dining reservations and guiding you through lightning lane passes, ensuring your family gets the absolute best value and a completely stress-free vacation. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor today or click the booking link located in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's head inside and check out the room. As you enter the room, you're greeted by a full-length mirror attached to the closet doors. Inside, you'll find plenty of full-length hanging storage that houses your comfy bathrobes and slippers. Down below is additional bedding and blankets, an in-room steamer, and on the side is a large digital room safe. Right across from the wardrobe is the entry to the bathroom. Now, one thing I absolutely love about this layout for families is that it features a split room design. You have a dedicated sink room up front holding a double vanity, which means someone can be brushing their teeth while someone else is using the shower. The vanity features a large backlit mirror, an adjustable magnifying mirror on the side, and your hairdryer tucked neatly down below. Through the secondary door is the private bathroom area, housing the toilet and a beautiful full walk-in shower featuring a rainfall shower head up above, a separate adjustable shower wand, built-in bench for shaving, and premium daily refreshed bath amenities. Heading out of the bathroom and into the main bedroom area, you'll pass your dedicated refreshment station. This built-in counter houses your Keurig coffee maker with a premium selection of coffees and teas refreshed daily for that essential morning cup of joe. The station also features several outlets for charging and a mini fridge built right into the cabinetry down below. Standard rooms come equipped with either a single king bed or two queens, and depending on which one you choose, there are several bedding options, including sleeper sofas, day beds, and single twin sleeper chairs. Your Vacationeer advisor can help you select the perfect configuration for your booking. All configurations feature upgraded bedding and linens that add a touch of luxury to your stay. In the bedroom area, we really appreciate the subtle updates in these rooms. Set right in between the two beds is a small nightstand with drawers to tuck away any small personal items, and right on top you'll have a Bluetooth speaker clock with wireless charging and additional USB ports built in. There are also 4 US plugs and 4 additional USB plugs to ensure all of your cameras and devices are charged for the park days. The bed frames are also raised with ample wide open clearance underneath, allowing you to easily tuck your bulky luggage or strollers completely out of the way. Directly across from the beds is your main entertainment hub, featuring a large flat panel smart TV, and this system is loaded with live TV channels, resort information, and a massive selection of complimentary Disney movies and on-demand content to wind down with at night. Below the screen, you have a large wardrobe dresser packed with drawers, and if you thought the nightstand had great charging options, this dresser features 2 more standard US outlets and multiple USB plugs. Next to the dresser is a desk that doubles as a vanity with a mirror, 4 more US plugs, and 2 more USB plugs. Like I said, there's a ton of charging real estate in these rooms. Set in the corner is a sleeper sofa, and depending on the room configuration, this could be a single twin sleeper chair. However, most rooms with 2 queens come with a sleeper sofa. Finally, stepping outside to the private balcony, you'll find 2 chairs and a small table. There are a few different view categories to choose from, depending on your budget and preference. The standard view is the baseline that overlooks Disneyland Drive. The Woods Courtyard view is a peaceful step up with relaxing views of the hotel's beautifully landscaped interior courtyards. The pool view gives you great views overlooking the resort's gorgeous redwood-themed pool areas. The partial view is a middle ground with partial glimpses of either Disney's California Adventure Park or Downtown Disney, and the Downtown Disney view is the ultimate high energy option, putting you right above the action with vibrant views looking directly down into Downtown Disney. And if you want to see exactly what the other rooms, suites, or layouts look like across the Disneyland Resort, we have a complete Disneyland playlist available right here on the channel for you to check out. Beyond your room, there's so much to experience right here at the Grand Californian. You can indulge in world-class, award-winning fine dining at Napa Rose, enjoy a fantastic character breakfast with the family at Storytellers Cafe, or head over to the Hearthstone Lounge for a cozy evening cocktail by the fire. To make the most of your next Disneyland vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below to get started. We handle every detail of the planning, from finding that perfect park view to bundling your tickets and setting up dining packages, so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up the magic. Thank you all so much for watching, and if this tour helped you envision your next California getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.